Law 48 of the 48 Laws of Power states, assume formlessness. By taking a shape, by having a visible plan, you open yourself to attack. What does this mean? It's simple. In the world of power, being rigid and predictable is a liability. This law encourages you to be like water, flowing and adapting according to the situation. The less your opponents can anticipate your moves, the less they can counteract them. Remember, in the game of power, the more adaptable you are, the more powerful you become. Now let's dissect the law further. Assume formlessness doesn't mean you should be a ghost or a shadow. It's about being flexible and not sticking to one plan or strategy. You see, this law encourages adaptability and fluidity, much like water flowing down a stream, constantly changing its path based on the terrain. In life, as in business or any other endeavor, circumstances are always changing, and as such, we must be ready to adjust our approach accordingly. Sticking to a single strategy, no matter how successful it has been in the past, can lead to predictability, and predictability, my friends, can be exploited. Consider a boxer in the ring. If he only throws left hooks, his opponent will quickly learn to dodge and counter. The boxer must continually adapt, changing his moves to keep his adversary guessing. This is the essence of assuming formlessness. In conclusion, as the water shapes its course according to the nature of the ground, so should you shape your strategy according to the situation at hand. So, what have we learned about Law 48? In essence, it's all about adaptability and unpredictability. It's about understanding that life is a game of chess, with moves and counter-moves. It's about the ability to change one's strategy according to shifting circumstances without losing sight of the endgame. It's about recognizing that rigidity can be a downfall and flexibility a strength. In conclusion, Law 48 teaches us to be like water, ever changing, ever adaptable, and always ready to take a new form.